Hello guys, this is Pooja Agrawal and you are watching my YouTube channel Premium Cooking. In this video, I will give you some macro hacks which is very interesting and which is very delicious. Then let's get started. Then guys, for that, our first hack is boiling potato. How to boil potato in macro mode. Then what you have to do, then cut it in between and keep all potato in macro safe bowl and add some water. If you do not add water, it will shrink. It will not good in taste. So add some water. Keep a lid on it and keep this potato in macro mode for 5 to 10 minutes. Now our 6 minutes time has over and our potato has boiled completely. Now we check it has it boiled or not. It is too hot and we can check it by fork. Yeah, you can see it is totally boiled. In my microwave oven it boiled in just 5 minutes because it is depend on the voltage. Then you check the voltage of your oven and boil it. After boiling potato, our next hack is how to soak and how to roast at a time in macro mode. If you forget to soak almonds at night, do not worry about that. Take some almonds, add some water in it and microwave it for 5 minutes. If you want to roast almonds, then add some ghee on almonds and macro it for 2 minutes. Now set it for 2 minutes. Now our 2 minutes has over and let me check it is roast or is it soak or not. That it is roasted or not. It is completely roasted. You can see the texture is changed and the color has brown now. Then sprinkle some black pepper powder and some salt on. Now is it soaked or not? Let me check. Then take out from the water and just try to spill out it. Yeah, it is easily peeled. Then it is soaked also. If you forgot to soak, then do not worry, do this trick. You can soak this in macro. Now guys, it's time to next hack. If you want salted peanuts, then do not worry. You can make it in just 2 minutes. Then for that, take one bowl, add some little water and add some salt. For making your peanut salted, you can directly make by using macro modes in microwave oven. Then what to? Then add this water in big bowl. Then add this all peanuts in this macro safe bowl and just stir it well and keep these peanuts in microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. Now microwave it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now time has over and let me check it is roasted or not our salty peanuts. Keep it cool for 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes and then our salty peanuts has ready. Let me check. Yeah, you can make this in just 5 minutes by adding some water, salted water on peanuts and microwave it for 5 minutes only. Then our salty peanut has ready. So guys, in this video I have shown you 3 important hacks which you can make easily by using macro mode at home. So if you like my video, then press on the like button, subscribe it and hit on the bell icon. I will soon upload some baking videos.